Many years have passed since the Sons and Daughters was founded in 1984. It is now 2014 and a new generation of members is leading the SD towards the brighter horizons. They have gone places local and abroad singing for the Lord. In the summer of 2014, the group went on a successful 3-week tour to Malaysia, specifically the Kota Kinabalu, Sabah area, coming back to the Philippines eager and ready to do more, and they did for the semestral break. SD went to the gorgeous island of Cebu and had concerts in the Miller, Capital, and EVA churches, complete with video coverage from Hope Channel. Furthermore, it was in EVA that the group had its first ever ticketed gala concert. For 30 years now, the Sons and Daughters Choral Arts stand on stage not only for the purpose of singing, but more importantly, they stand for the purpose of serving God and others. The projects that the SD has funded have accumulated over the years. Some are already completed, some are still ongoing, and some have not been formed yet. As of 2014, the sacrifices of time, money, and effort have especially been fruitful for the SD. 14 working students have been given scholarship grants to help them in their school payments. 3 church building projects. The PPRC, a humble church composed of local farmers that has been ravaged by the recent Typhoon Pablo. Malingon and Bicol SDA churches also received monetary funds from the SD. Assistance in the task of renovation for Malingon, reconstruction for PPRC, and a new church for our brothers and sisters in the Bicol Church. The radio station of Mountain View College DXCR has also received donations from the SD to renovate the station and purchase and repair much-needed equipment. In recent projects, SD has opted to provide the Holy Word to those who are prison inmates of Malaybalay Provincial and Valencia City jails. In addition to that, religious tracts and pamphlets containing the good news have been donated by generous SD alumni to help in the ministry. The cries, hopes, and wishes of CMU working students, those valiant scholars that strive to give our country honor and their families a certain future, have been heard and seen by God. Thus, the SD will be choosing 12 individuals that deserve your financial help. Feeding programs for the Mount Nebo children and our friends in the mental institution of Maramag City are also in the queue of projects. Finally, the urban children whom Jesus called the precious little ones that belong to His kingdom will be recipients of storybooks that will help them get to know the gentle Savior. Frequently, the Sons and Daughters go on outreach programs to churches around MVC, around the country, and in various parts of the world, singing wherever the Lord takes them, knowing that in good times and in bad, the Lord will provide for every little thing that they might need.